Good morning, everyone. It's just after 7 o'clock. Just got the shooting light. It's January the 17th, and we got ourselves a cold one today. Real temps about 12. It feels like lower single digits. As you can see, we got a nice coating of snow on the ground. And, don't get me wrong. I love hunting November. I love hunting late October when the deer movement's good. But I really do love hunting in the snow. So I've tried to get out the past couple of days since we got this. We got about 10 inches, so it's really beautiful out here, but it is cold. Doubt batteries last very long. If I get any GoPro footage, I'll be shocked. But either way, the late doe season grind continues. I've sat this property a few times now, and it's definitely been feast or famine. Hard to see deer, hard to get on deer this time of year here, but it's conveniently located, and they are moving through here every day. Just I'm not here when they do. So the hope is this morning that a few hours before work I can get a doe or a group of does walking in close and seal the deal on a great season. So trying to stay warm. We got a soft, light west wind, and it's just beautiful out here. So I'm gonna sit tight, try to stay warm, and hopefully see some deer here soon. Just thinking about it when I was sitting here before daylight. Usually the coyotes move through here this late season, and that was pretty cool. I don't know if even I got it on film because he hit my ground scent and totally turned around. So I'm afraid I didn't get it on film, but looks like we got a coyote down this morning. I just finished my morning interview like a couple minutes ago. That's actually my first coyote, which is awesome. So, looks like he ran out into the thicker stuff. I've had some bucks go down in there before, so I'm gonna be recovering him on my way out. That's awesome. Let's go. Good start to the morning. A fawn killer on the ground. That's great. Hopefully it doesn't bugger up the deer too bad. And hopefully they move through here too, and we get ourselves a coyote and a doe. That'd be awesome. Battery on the camera's already dying. It's crazy cold out here. Well, it's about 8:30, and I got a lot to do today, so I'm gonna pack on out. Also, I'm on my last camera battery, and it's almost dead, so I gotta charge up batteries and get on out of the stand, and I'll trail down that coyote. Pretty great way to start the morning. That was fun. Pretty exciting. I feel like if I stuck around I'd probably see deer, but never really know, so I'm not trying to freeze to death out here, so I'm gonna climb on down, pack up, and get out to that arrow, and we can get on this track. Well, with the last bit of battery I got left here, I'll do a little closing. Got them recovered. All my batteries are dead. It's warmed up, but it's still about 20 degrees, so it's plenty cold, and camera batteries aren't doing well. But exciting start to the hunt today. I didn't see any deer, but got this guy down. Fortunately, did not get the shot on camera. He hit my trail and turned on out of there. It happened too quick. Just wasn't able to get it on camera. So I apologize about that, guys. But it's a pretty awesome. My first coyote. Hunted a long time. I've only had one opportunity I wanted. It was at the same property. A few years ago, I think it was. I had one come through and actually start gnawing on a deer that I'd shot. So been itching to get one off this property. There's definitely a few out here, and feels nice to finally get one on the ground. Gonna do something cool with him, and hopefully remember this hunt for the rest of my life. So appreciate you guys watching. Deer hunt turned into predator hunt, but can't complain too much. It was exciting. It was a beautiful morning. Love hunting in the snow, and I just continuously stay impressed by the performance of my arrows and broadheads, because that blood trail was really awesome for a coyote. So I'm gonna get him loaded up into the truck, get some warm coffee, get some heat on me, and I'll see you guys from the woods next time.